Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show you how to make spicy mayo sauce. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need about 1/2 cup of your favorite mayonnaise, 1 to 2 tablespoons of sriracha for that perfect kick, and 1 teaspoon of sesame oil to add a nutty aroma. Don't forget 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder to enhance the overall flavor. This combination creates a delicious and versatile sauce. Now that you have all your ingredients, let's get mixing. Grab a small bowl, which is perfect for this task. Carefully add the mayonnaise, sriracha, sesame oil, and garlic powder into the bowl. Use a spoon or a small whisk to stir everything together. Continue mixing until the sauce is completely smooth and uniform in color. This ensures every bite has that perfect blend of flavors. Once your sauce is mixed, it's time for the most important step, tasting. Take a small spoonful and see if it meets your expectations. If you prefer more heat, simply add another dash of sriracha. For a brighter, tangier note, a squeeze of fresh lime juice works wonders. If the sauce is too thick, a tiny bit of water can help achieve your desired consistency. Personalize it to your liking. Your homemade spicy mayo is now ready to enjoy. This versatile sauce pairs wonderfully with so many foods. Try it with sushi, as a dip for crispy fries, or spread it on your favorite sandwich for an extra kick. If you have any leftovers, simply transfer them to an airtight container. Store it in the refrigerator, and it will stay fresh for up to 5 days. Enjoy your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.